Good morning, everyone. It's 11:30 now. So I got an opportunity to trade. I did not take the trade, but it was over here on this breakdown. But now markets are giving a breakout, but it's not a strong one. So I'm finding an opportunity to trade. So I'll update you guys if I take any trade. This was a good opportunity, but I was like, why to risk my capital? So currently my position is zero. So I'll update you guys if I take a trade today. So it is making a kind of a buy setup over here. My indicators are telling me to buy. This candle has a very huge volume and it has given a breakout to the trend line. So if I take the trade, I'll update you guys. According to my conviction, I should take the trade on the sell side. So that's what I'm planning because today markets are downtrending. And there's a lot of buying pressure over here. That's why this green candle took a boost. But if this level breaks, then I'm sure to go for the sell side. These levels should break on the downside. So if we watch the past setup, after breaking these levels of 560 to 560, market comes around these levels, 461 according to the past trend. So here I can book my profits. If I take trade at 560, 28,560 if I sell the trade. So let's see, I'll update you guys if I take any move. So it's 12:35 p.m. now and still I have not taken any trade. So unless or until my indicators tell me to take a trade, then only I'll take a trade. Or else risking my capital is not worth on just little confirmations. So multiple confirmations, I'll go for the trade. So currently my profit streak is of 14-day profit streak, continues 14-day. I did not even leave Murat trading over here. So let's see. It might break, it might not break. If I trade patiently, then I'll continue the streak. Even if it breaks, then no problem because the loss will happen from my profit only. So nothing extra I have to put in my loss. So I'll update you guys if I take a trade. There's tremendous buying pressure over here. Buyers are not letting the price go down. But if the price goes below these levels, 1, 2, 3, with a strong volume, then I would have taken the trade for next levels of 460, 450. I would have booked my profit 28,450. I would have taken my trade over here 28,560. But let's see. If the scenario is created, then only I'll take the trade. So it's looking like a good breakout over here. So accordingly, I can take my trade now. It's 1 o'clock. So I'll update you guys if I take a trade. Okay, so this is a very unusual move. This is a very unusual move. Candle started from 636 and ended on 938. 300-point move. It's risky to trade in this candle. It's very risky. Indication for trade is yes, but stop loss, I have to keep a big stop loss. So it's very risky. So I took the risk of taking the trade. So I took the risk now. Let's see. This was a very risky trade. I shouldn't have traded. But एक होता है ना एक emotional state of mind. Still, if it breaks today's highs, then we can make profits. So I booked my profits of 1,350 today. So this is my order detail. I took the trade at 1.5, at 1.13 I booked the profits. And thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. This is the 15th day profit streak. So it's all good. Thank you.